rotating part, stator stationary part. Okay. Now here, okay, is your stator windings. Okay. This part here is your rotor windings. Okay. Now with an alternator, it's double the amount as on a motor. Okay. With a motor, you've got a stator and a rotor. But with an alternator, you've got a main rotor and a main stator, and an excitation stator and an excitation rotor. Happy? So here's your 4 poles, 1, 2, 3, 4 of your main rotor. Happy? This port here is the excitation rotor. It's on the same shaft. Okay. So this will slip in from the front of the alternator, and that part will stick out the back. Okay. This is your excitation part. It will then slide over the top. Okay. Happy with that? Okay. Now how this works. Come here. Your main 4-pole rotor's got a little bit of magnetism inside it. The moment you start spinning it, because you got magnetism, it starts producing voltage here. Okay. From here, we're going to go to our voltage regulator, the AVR. Happy? The AVR, then you've got voltage pumping into the unit. The AVR says, hey, the voltage that you're supplying me is too low. Okay. I now need to push from the AVR more voltage into my excitation stator. Happy? But I'm pushing AC into the unit, and out of the unit I get DC. Okay? Because I need to increase the magnetism here. When I increase the magnetism here, your excitation rotor, okay, the voltage will goes up. Okay? The moment it goes up, okay, I need the voltage to go out of my main rotor to go up as well. But the moment I move a magnet through a coil or a coil through a magnet, it changes from from DC to AC. Now before it goes from my excitation rotor, there's the 2 cables running down to this big fat coil. Okay, I need to change it to DC. Then I've got my diode bank. Okay, the diode bank then turns the AC power back to DC, so it increases the magnetism. Okay, if you increase the magnetism here, the voltage goes up out of the alternator. Happy? Higher voltage into the AVR. The AVR says, hey, the voltage is nice and high. Lower the voltage on your excitation stator. Okay? So the AVR constantly changes the voltage. Okay? To keep the voltage here at 400 volts. Happy with that? Yes. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, that's how it works. Simple as that. You spin it and it works.